Hello children, now first class mathematics. So take your textbook children, page number 122, open it children, page number 122. So opening all of you. So what is this children here in page number 122? So here having, what is this? Coins and notes. Currency notes is there children? Yes. So what is our chapter children? What is this? Money. So our chapter name is money. Say all of you, 15th chapter. So our chapter name is money. Money spelling M-O-N-E-Y, money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Say money spelling M-O-N-E-Y, money. Say again, M-O-N-E-Y, money. So Raju has the following coins and currency notes. Say their values. See here, Raju has the following coins and currency notes. So what is the value of the coins? See here, you know children, this coin. So which coin is this? 50 paise. This coin is 50 paise. See all of you. This coin, 1 rupee coin only. You know children, 1 rupee coin. This is the 1 rupee coin. Just like having 1 rupee coin. Yes children, 1 rupee coin. This is the 50 paise coin. This is the 1 rupee coin. You know children, 1 rupee coin. This, what is this number? 2 only. Yes. 2 rupee coin. See here, 2 rupee coin. Yes children, 2 rupee coin. Yes. Here, this one, 5 rupee coin. See here, 5 rupee coin. Yes children, 5 rupee coin. See, 5 rupee coin. In your book too having children this one. That in Astrogen book too some this like coins. So this is the 5 rupee coin. This one 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coins. So these are all coins. And 10 rupees also coin is there children. 10 rupees coin. Yes, you know children. See here. 1 rupee coin. 2 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin. Okay. This is the 50 paise coin. See here. Currency notes. So this is the coins. Here notes. Which note is this? So 5. Which number is this? 5. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. So rupees spelling R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees. R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees. Here 50 paise. Paise spelling P-A-I-S-E. P-A-I-S-E, paise. 50 paise. P-A-I-S-E, paise. Coins spelling C-O-I-N-S, coins. C-O-I-N-S, coins. 50 P-A-I-S-E, paise. P-A-I-S-E, paise. Currency notes. Currency notes spelling C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. Say again children. C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. N-O-T-E-S, notes. Currency notes. C-U-R-R-E-N-C-Y, currency. N-O-T-E-S, notes. Currency notes. This is the 5 rupees note. 5 rupees note children? Yes. You observe children? So this one 10 rupees. ₹10 note only. ₹10 note. This one 10 rupees note, children. You know this? You know, all of you? 10 rupees note. This is the 20 rupees. 20 rupees. See here, 20 rupees. 20 rupees. 20 rupees and 50 rupees. 50 rupees also, see here, 50 rupees. So are you observing, children? See now. So this is the coins and these are notes. So what were coins are there? 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees and 5 rupees and 10 rupees coin also is there, children. So here 5 rupees note, currency notes. 10 rupees and 20 rupees and 50 rupees. So are you observing? Yes. Okay, let us now 123 page. See, children, 123 page. See, all of you. Page number 123. Tick right in the box under the 1 rupee coin. So where having 1 rupee coin? Where is the 1 rupee coin? 1 rupee coin to keep right tick, children. So this is the 1 rupee coin. Which coin is this? 50 paise coin. Here 2 rupees coin. 2 rupee coin only. Here this one. This is the 1 rupee coin. So what question having here? Take right mark in the box under the 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. They are having box 2. We keep right tick. This one 5 rupee coin. No need. So 1 rupee coin to keep right tick. Second one, B1. Tick right mark in the box under the 5 rupee coin. So 5 rupee coin where having, children? Here. This is the 5 rupee coin. No, this is the 2 rupees coin. Here 50 paise coin. Here 5 rupee coin. Here 1 rupee coin. Here 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin to keep right mark. Next one. Tick right in the box under the 5 rupee notes. 5 rupee notes to keep right mark. Which note is this, children? 5 rupee note. Which note? Which number is there here? 10. So 10 rupee note here. This one is 5 rupee note. 5 rupee note where having? This one is 5 rupee. So we keep right tick here. See now. Next to tick right in the box under the 10 rupee note. 10 rupee note where having? 10 rupee note to keep right mark. So this is the 5 rupee note. This one 10 rupee note only, children? Yes. 10 rupee note to keep right tick. Okay. Next one here. Write what the following coins are. This one dash rupees. How many rupees is this? This coin is how many rupees? Which number is there? 2. So here write 2. 2 rupees. R-U-P-E-E-S. Rupees. 2 rupees. This is the 1 rupee. 1 only, children? Yes. 1 rupee. 1 R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. 1 rupee. Here this coin 5 rupees. 5 rupees. 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 5 rupees. See here, observe. Write what the following coins are. 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 5 rupees coin. See here, write what are the following notes are. See here, what are the following notes? Which note is this? Which note? 10 rupees note? Yes. Here, which number is there? 10. 10 rupees. Here, which note is this? 20. 20 rupees. 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 20 rupees. Here, which note is this? 50. 50 rupees. Are you understand, children? See here, 10 rupee coin note to writing. Here we are writing the names, coin names. See now, observe and say. So 1 rupee coin, 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. 50 paise plus 50 paise. 100 paise only. 100 paise means what? 1 rupee. 2 rupees means 1 rupee is 1 rupee. 1 rupee, 2 rupees. 2 coins only 2 rupees. Here, 1 10 rupee note means 2 5 rupees notes. 5 plus 5, 10 only? Yes. Here 1 plus 1, 2. Here observe, children, 50 paise plus 50 paise, 100 paise. 100 paise equals to 1 rupee, children. 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. See now here. So observe this. Match the notes on the left with the change that is equal on the right. Which coin is this? 5 rupee notes only. See here. In how many coins to make in 5 rupees having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here given one example, 5 rupees. So here 10 rupees given. So 10 rupees means here 5 rupees coins is there. 1, 2. Here some having. Here 4 having. So how many 5 rupees coins make 10 rupee? See here. 10 rupees means how many 5 rupees coin? 2. Here notes given. Coins also will same value only. 2 only? Yes. Where having 2 coins? Here. 5 plus 5. 10. 10. Yes. So here 5 plus 5. 10. 15. 20. 20. 50. 50 rupees means how many 5 rupees coins we want, children? How many 5 rupees coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 5 rupees coins we want. Once check it. 5 plus 5. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So how many coins? 10 coins we want for 50 rupees. So match it, children. Are you understand? Coins and notes. So what we are learning? So we are learning the money chapter. Money spelling MONEY, money. So in that money, coins and notes also we are using. So their values also here given. We are learning that values. This coin is 50 paise. This coin is 1 rupee. This coin 2 rupees. 5 rupees. 5 rupees. 10 rupees. 20 rupees. 50 rupees. See here. Right mark only. So 1 rupee coin to right mark. Right tick. 5 rupee coin to right tick. 5 rupee note to write tick. Here 10 rupee note to write tick. Write what the following coins are here. Given coins 2 rupees and 1 rupee and 5 rupee. Here also notes name. Write what are following the notes are. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. So completed children? Okay, are you understand? Okay.